Look, now our next step is to make this and stick on your chest. So kids, this is the mango that I have made with the help of this chart paper. Look here. And now we shall learn how to make a mango with the help of a chart paper. Come. Look here. So our sketch is complete. Now we shall cut this paper along the sketch, okay, so that our outer cutting will be over. Look here how to cut it. So our outer cutting is over. Now we shall make the eyes and mouth of the mango. Okay, there are two eyes of the mango. Now look here kids, the sketch of eyes and mouth. We have completed the sketch of eyes and mouth. Now we shall use black sketch pen to make eyes look like this. Look kids, I am using sketch pen to make eyes of the mango. Is it looking good? हमारा मैंगो का आईज देखो कैसा लग रहा है. तुम्हें भी ऐसे ही करना है. स्लोली स्लोली. Look here. Now we shall sketch on the mouth of the mango. Look here kids, look at these two mangoes. Are everything same in these two pictures? Can you notice something? Both the pictures have eyes, mouth. One thing is missing. What is that? Leaves. Okay, now we will cut and stick leaves here. Look here kids, now I am drawing the outline of a leaf. Look, we are cutting along the outline. Look kids, we have cut these two leaves. Now I am going to stick on our mango to make it complete. Come here. Now we shall use little amount of glue on the opposite side of the leaf. Some amount on here also. Now I am going to stick it. Yeah, our mango is complete. So kids, what have we learned? We have learned how to make this mango and how to make this crown and dress up like the king. How to become a mango, the king of the fruits. ठीक है?